Clearborough, North Dallas, 2025 Chevy Z06 Corvette. Paint protection film applied to the front only, so a full front. And we did the roof and the pillars, the black top. That's all in paint protection film, all Xpel. So for that black gloss PPF, it's the A-pillars. This, the full roof, I do it all custom with no seams. All wrapped in. You don't want to see any white. This was all white prior. And we do that little camera in the center. Everything gets wrapped in. Everything looks great. And that is how a black top's done. And then as far as the full front, we do the mirrors. Everything gets wrapped in. It's white. Doesn't matter what color it is, but we do all the same work. Everything gets wrapped in. No edges. Everything's wrapped behind. Everything's wrapped inside here. Everything goes under in the fender. I don't leave a line on top. Everything's under here, here. All this is wrapped in. All this is wrapped in. We take these fender trim pieces back. Everything wraps in here. Otherwise you'd see an ugly dirt line if you ran a line here. So a lot of care goes into it. A lot of custom installation work. Emblem comes off real simple. Put it back on over the PPF so you have your line. And then all this, I don't leave any notches, reliefs on any of these points. All those get wrapped in 100%. So there's no dirt lines at all. So this full front won't have any issues with dirt lines. Everything's 100% wrapped. All the corners, all the edges, everything looks fantastic. And there it is, Clearborough, North Dallas and Argyle, Texas. Phone number 214-414-3809. Cell 940-703-8301. I'm Brent. Thanks for watching.